Hey guys, welcome to Handmade Home. Last week I did a workshop at West Elm. We did a project from a new book. We turned plates into clocks, which was great fun. But when some of the women and girls arrived, they were a little bit shocked to see power tools on the table, as they never used a drill before. They normally ask their boyfriends or partners to do all the power tool related DIY work around the house, which got me a bit shocked, because for me it's very common for a girl to use power tools. So while we were joking around about wearing lipstick and using power tools, that got me thinking that I should make a series for you guys. My guide to using power tools. In this series I'm going to show you the most common power tools and how to use them. And to kick it off, the biggest must-have of all, the drill driver. So your drill has several buttons. I'm going to show you what they do. First of all, there's the trigger. It's responsive to how hard you press it. If you press it in gentle, you get a little bit of speed. If you press it in harder, you get more speed. Pretty straightforward. Then there's this button. If you press it to the right, see it pops out, your drill is in reverse. It's great for unscrewing screws. If you press it to the left, see it pops out there, it's in forward mode. So it's for straightforward screwing and drilling. If you have it in the middle, your drill is locked. It's a good safety mechanism. On top of your drill you see all these numbers. This is your torque control, or the twisting power for your screws. A low number is a low torque or a low twisting power that you use on delicate materials, and a high number is a high torque or a high twisting power that you use on more tougher materials. A high power can damage your screw heads, so always go for a lower setting, and if your screw gets stuck in a boot, just twist it to a higher torque. Always make sure you keep your drill driver straight, because otherwise your screws will go in wonky. At the end of your torque dial you see a little drill drawing. Pop it on here to pop your drill in drill mode. The chuck here holds the screw and drill bits. You simply twist it to loosen the teeth that hold on to your drill or screw bits. Make sure it's tightened correctly before you start working. I'm going to change my screw bit for a drill piece, so I'm simply loosen it, take out my piece, insert the next one and tighten the chuck. And make sure it's tightened correctly. For different materials you need different drill bits. These two I use the most. Wood ones to use on all my DIY projects, and masonry ones to use for drilling holes in walls. I also have a ceramic piece for drilling holes in tiles and plates, and a metal one. These two I don't use very often, they're just more specific. So if you want to go for a generic set, go for masonry and wood one. Before this turns into a massive DIY lecture, I'll be back with a follow-up video to show you how to use those drill bits in all the different materials. I'll also show you other power tools and how to use them. But I do hope this video makes you feel a bit more comfortable in using your drill driver. If you have any suggestions or questions regarding DIY, please let me know and I will incorporate those into future videos. I'll be back next Thursday with a tutorial, and please sign up to Handmade Home not to miss out on any of my videos.